Despite a rough start year to date, we don't see a recession on the horizon and believe the US economy is stronger than many believe. Every expansion since World War II has gone through periods of slow growth, and when we look back later this year, I believe we will see this period as exactly that, a growth pause in a long expansionary cycle. Some of the reasons we continue to be positive on the markets is the underlying strength of the US consumer, a key driver of the US economy. Some of the positive factors we're focused on are employment and job growth continue to be strong, and tight labor markets are starting to impact wages and salaries. I believe this will have a positive effect on consumer confidence in 2016. Inflation remains low, and I believe cheaper energy prices will lead to greater consumer spending as that savings is spent on consumption. Lastly, I believe low interest rates will continue to support the housing market, which is still recovering in many markets, and pent-up demand still exists. U.S. consumer spending makes up approximately 2/3 of U.S. GDP, so the health of the consumer is key to any investment outlook for the U.S. We believe the good news is the U.S. consumer is healthy, the economy is operating near full employment, wages are starting to rise, and consumer debt levels are low. Many believe that lower energy prices put extra spending money in consumers' pockets immediately, but history has shown us that lower energy prices are a lagging indicator, as consumers initially save and don't change spending habits quickly. So much of last year's savings went to pay down debt or increase savings, both of which we have seen in the economic data. We believe that as consumers become comfortable with lower energy prices, they will start to increase their spending on discretionary goods and increase consumption. Companies levered to U.S. consumer spending look attractive, specifically areas such as apparel, restaurant, beverages, and housing. We continue to believe the U.S. economy is performing well, and I believe 2016 will surprise many